Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to change your primary email on LinkedIn. It's a simple process, so let's get started. First, go to the Me section in the top right corner of your LinkedIn page. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find Sign In and Security on the left-hand panel. Click on Email Addresses under Account Access. Next, click on Add an email address and type in your new email. You'll need to verify your login by following the prompts. LinkedIn will send you an email asking you to verify the new email. Once verified, you'll see multiple emails under email addresses. Simply click Make Primary on the email you want to use as your primary email. As a recommendation, consider removing any secondary or tertiary emails to keep things streamlined. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your primary email on LinkedIn. It's as easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful LinkedIn tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.